guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ruth Shari and welcome to today's video. So I'm getting ready. I have a meeting in Athi River in about 2 hours time from now, so hopefully I'll make it on time, but I know I'll make it on time because I'm against traffic. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. Actually, I have two meetings. I have one in Athi River and one in CBD, and then once I'm done with my meetings, I'll be taking my car to the car wash, and then I'll be meeting a friend of mine later, and I'll pass by the shop in town to pack some few orders for my customers. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. Yes, I woke up to 11,000 subscribers, guys. 11,000 friends. I don't know what to say, guys, but I am truly grateful. I am truly grateful, guys. So like I said in my previous video, I'll be doing a giveaway. So for those who don't know, I have a skincare business that sells acne products. Yeah, so I'll be doing a giveaway by the end of the month. So if you want to enter the giveaway, the only things that you need to do is just to follow the page. I'll leave the page in the description box, so just follow the page and then follow me on Instagram, and that's it, guys. But I'll announce the winner at the end of the month. Yeah, so let me finish the makeup because I don't want to be late. Also, I won't be doing too much today because I don't like to go crazy with my makeup, especially when I'm going for meetings, for work meetings for that matter. So I'm just doing my brows, and then I'll go in with my sunscreen, of course, and then with a tiny bit of foundation. So I don't get why sunscreens are expensive, and this thing is an essential. And the fact that you have to keep on reapplying it after every 6 hours, and it comes in like 50 ml tube or 100 ml tube is crazy to me. Like, why don't they just make like bigger tubes and then make them more, or rather a bit affordable? But anyways, not forgetting my neck. Kuna giza hapa. But anyways, I'm about to leave, but before I do that, I need to find something to break my fast. I'm still doing intermittent fasting. So niko na yogurt hapa. Kuna yogurt. This is the last one I need to restock. And then let me see if I can find something ready to eat here. Okay, there is nothing. I have oranges here. So nitabeba orange na yogurt, and this is what I'll use to break my fast. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm settled. So as much as I just got done with my day. I just got done with my day. I'm now heading home. I feel like I had a super long day today, but it's now over. Yeah, so I don't have much to vlog about. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
It's Fake Hills. Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that.
Hi guys, so today is the second day of the vlog. I had a very early morning meeting today in town, but that is done. I'm now at TRM for another meeting, and then later on I'll head to Kiambu town for the last meeting of the day. Yeah, so there's this Colgate that I used to use Kitambo, which used to be called Colgate Optic something. I can't fully remember the name, but I know how it looks like when I see it. So I want to pass by TRM. I want to pass by Carrefour and see if I can find it, because I looked for it at Quick Mart Pata. So hopefully I'll find it here. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys once I'm settled. Alright guys, so I just got home, so I want to show you guys what I got from Carrefour. So this is the toothpaste I was talking about. It's the Colgate Optic White, sparkling white, whiter teeth in 1 week. So if you're looking into whitening your teeth and you don't want to go to a dentist, you should definitely try this or start with this. I'll start seeing changes in like 2 weeks. Yeah, it was quite expensive. It was going for 560 shillings, but it's totally worth it. We got some food. I'm gonna eat food kwa gari for a few hours now, but I wanna warm it and eat it. I got mixed rice and a piece of chicken and assorted yogurts with real fruits. This is one of my favorite yogurt brand. Yeah, so I want to warm my food, eat, so I'll talk to you guys later. Anyways, my friend Faith is here and we wanted to install her hair, so I want to show you guys how it looks like. So this is the hair. It's a frontal. It's from my Having Hair Kenya. and it's a bob.